Come on, kids. Pat, when you're ready to come down off that soapbox, give me a call.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Mom.
Honey, wait, Vance. Honey, wait, don't leave. Vance, I love you. Wait a second, Vance. Wait, don't. Kids, wait a second, I need you. I love you all. Please, Vance. Concepcion!
¡Qué hermosura de mujer!
Concepcion!
Parezca crece en mi jardín. Si todo lo que sueño es tan dulce como tú. Bonita, bonita hermosura de mujer.
Concepcion!
Oye, mami, ¿para dónde vas?
Wait a minute! No, stop! No, stop! Concepcion, please!
Venga, Susi.
Concepcion, don't do anything!
Got some flowers here for Pat Kramer. Yeah. Who are you?
No speak English.
No English, español.
Sí.
Ah, ¿cómo se llama?
Concepcion.
Concepcion. Es imposible, mi cielo, posible, mi cielo tan separado, vive tan separado. Adiós.
In the most bizarre and tragic turn in an already tragic story, the incredible shrinking woman, Pat Kramer, has been lost in a fatal household accident.
That the whole nation joins in mourning the untimely passing of Pat Kramer.
That the hopes for the incredible shrinking woman are down the drain. Film at 11.
Beloved friends and neighbors, we are gathered here today to bid goodbye to a beautiful and courageous woman who gave so very much and got so little.